Hey y'all, Tammy's back with Happy Art Creation and welcome to my today. Again, it's still the same day as the last time you just saw a video. I'm going to use those same beautiful orangey pinky colors that I did before I ran out of white. I had a blue one going on and it was just not pretty. So I scraped it and I used it and I thought I'd gotten all the white off, but I didn't. But you know, it's kind of pretty. So I'm going to leave the little stripes. They'll probably be spun off anyhow. So here we go. I did add a Naked Fusion Flamingo Pink. That always looks glorious with black. So that I know I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to do it again very small, hopefully. And we're just going to start in the middle. And just kind of, I might just do it like this on that one. So let's check it out. Who knows, right? Check something different. Let's do it like this. Here's that pretty flamingo pink. And here's some quartz. I think I'm going to leave out the this here's that nickel azel gold. Leave out the rose quartz that I had in there. I'm going to put that there in the middle. I do have a bubble. Let's get it now. And then this is the, what did I call it? Rose gold. This one's different than that other rose gold. It truly is a rose and a pink, and it's a chameleon. So we'll kind of move that just maybe all over. And where's that? I know I've got a dark right there. What would be pretty right there? How about a dark right in here? And we'll see what happens down here with a stand. So, okay, here we go, y'all. Okay, well, that kind of just sunk, but let's see what happens when we separate it out. I don't know. As you can see here, that shirt, it's so noisy. I'm not a fan, but it might dry really pretty, so I'm not sure about this. I might add just a something. A little something. And soften it with this. And I'll take my baster. Oh, maybe not. Let me bring this up. Oh, well, who knows what my brain just did, right? This isn't probably going to work, but, you know, you learn. Let's try it this way, right? Oh, I might do that on the other side and just, that's pretty. So let's do that. 1, 2, and that makes 3 and 4. And then let's bring that up. That up. That up. That up. Wish I hadn't done that, but I did. I'm not the biggest fan of this. Oh man, don't you hate it when you mess up? Well, let's just see what happens. Oh well, fiddle fart. Sorry. Wish I hadn't done that. I wish I had done all of it like that. Still can. Now I'm just playing because I'm probably going to scrape it. It looks awful. Some of it I like, some of it I don't. Trying to center it a little. Sorry about the noise. I think that's our recycling people coming. I don't know. It's kind of growing on me, just a little. Don't laugh at me. I'm going to try something with some gold. Hey, can't go much more wrong than what I got here. I might bring some of that gold up in here very carefully. I don't mind it sinking a little here and there. I just want a touch of it. Finish that down and hide it, kind of. Now this stuff here, yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that. I may scrape some of that. I don't know. Let's see what I got. Hey, who knows? This might actually turn out. Right? It might actually turn out. There's my little sticky doodle. There it is. Alright, so I'm going to take some of that gold and just be careful. I'm starting to like it, y'all. this little pink because I just didn't like the way that looked. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is try to make that look a little better. Now I'm not sure how I feel about this down here, but again, I am going to spin I like that part of it. I am going to add more black down there. I'm just trying to take some of that extra off. I don't dislike it now that it's starting to come together. There's that white streak again. Like I said, there was white underneath. Alright. Let's see what happens if I spin it. I'm going to move some of this stuff. Oops, that might be hubby. Kind of like it. I wonder how it's going to... Oh, I love it. Now, the white right here, I don't, but, you know, well, maybe I can get that off. Don't hate it, y'all. I don't hate it. I'm not a big fan of still of this, so how about if I there. Let's add some color. I gotta see if that was my hubby. Nope. I've got to go look at a man's art at his house. He has an art collection and he wants to have a art collection that isn't so traditional, and well, heck, you know what we do. It's not necessarily the most traditional. But okay. And he literally lives down the street from me, so they went out to eat lunch, hubby and a bunch of the guys. I think it's pretty, y'all. Should I do something here? Just a little. Yeah. Just a little. That's better, huh? There. I think that finished it. It was just unfinished. I like it. Okay, I'm going to call it done. I'm going to spin it one more time. It's bigger than I expected. Pray, pray, pray that it going the other way so it balances it out. Pray that it dries well, because I think there's a lot of paint still on this. But I think it's gorgeous, so we will try it. Let me bring that up to you. Then, oh my goodness. There we go. It is very gorgeous. It almost looks like a fall leaf, kind of, sort of. Okay. Well, anyhow, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends if you would, pretty please. Watch a little bit longer if you would. It matters to Facebook, or YouTube. It matters to me because they just think it's the neatest thing that I get more viewing hours, okay? If you're not a subscriber, hey, I invite you to subscribe if you like this kind of art and uplifting, clean, fun art. you know, basically I try to make it to where you guys can do it too. It's not, isn't that pretty? It's not that difficult. It takes practice. This is one of the harder ones, but it does take practice, okay? Anything you want to do and do it well does take practice. So anyhow, guys, and I thank you all to my subscribers who lift me up, encourage me on the Facebook page that we have. I love seeing your art. We're a happy tribe, y'all. We're a new tribe, so go ahead and join us if you would. This is absolutely gorgeous. I hope it dries well. Alright guys, go ahead and spark some happy in someone's life today. You may be the only one that does. Make it important to them, okay? Some people just need a smile. Some people just need to be seen and heard. Anyhow, do it with kindness. Alright y'all, I'll see you next time here on Happy Art Creations. Toodaloo. Goodbye now. Goodbye. If I can turn this off without touching